Good day. My name is Elias Rojas. The topic that I talk about in the relation between technology and the environment from my point of view. Technology has advanced to be especially since the industrial revolution. This revolution brought this advance to practically all these sciences. The human details advance of technology that that has crazy without taking into account how it can affect the planet and the future generation. Technological development such as the environment is that and while that is a very impact flows the development of construction of infrastructure, monoculture, mining, roads, among other activities that may and impact the animal behavioral species and, a variety factors. Also can generate pollution by pollution that may its industry, especially if the company don't have a completely circular process. This is also the spill of petroleum where sources excessive use of pollution of the sign of greenhouse gas they affect the ozone layer. Also, main consuming both is exponentially, so it generates more waste and pollution that the environment can bear. And despite mention about using the technology can generate possibly change to the planet on the prediction of future events and the management of this event was recycling and new energy sources that eliminate conventional sources destroy the environment also. Also, new technology method can be tried to reduce the environment affectation. According to the above, my vision of planet is future is divided in two ways. The here is which human being rights they is history and life with nature. And the second is that now happening so this warning and increase demand for food, water and the resources needed to survive. In this way, I'll obviously prefer the fear, but there remove the action to have a sustainable life. This is my opinion about the relation between technology and environment. Thank you.